Hello, thank you for watching my video. This is David. This is another company where I joined like a month ago. It's called Burex. There is a lot of in YouTube. There is a scan and everything. So far, I had no problem with this company. I invest around. Let me see. That's what I invest right now. Let me see how much will be on dollar amount. Okay, go to USD. I invest or I put it to work on this amount. Oh, $621. Okay, that's what I put it to work, and I do it compound. And right now I got this one because it's beginning of in January I was compound. That's what I got right now. Or looking at what earning. $100. So like only a month and a half, 2 months. Okay. This is not financial advice. This is what I do. This is for purpose education only. You have to do your own research and you have to take your own risk. Okay. You can join here with a little bit of $20 on USDT, or you can use BTC. See, $20 USDT. Or you can put just a little bit of 0.1 BTC. You for it for 20 days or working days. A daily profit is 1.4, total return 28% in just 20 days. That's what I got this package. Okay. The different packages. You can put Ethereum. You get the same. You can put more if you want. Okay, and this is what I'm doing right now. Whatever money I got, I put it here to work. Okay, so this is my 25 days working on it. I had no referral. I had 3 deposits. Okay, and I have one close. You can see here. I started on the end of December. I put this amount. Then I get this. I put the second amount of what I got here. I put it here, and this one is a new one. Where I put it. only 5 days left to finish this. Okay, so this is not financial advice, this is a purpose education. Just like and subscribe if you like the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Next video I want to talk about DeFi. There is a few companies that make you rich. Okay, thank you for watching, and please like and comment. We're giving away some coins, okay, in the future. Bye bye.